Welcome to our road test of our 2018 18 plate Passat 2-litre TDI R-Line DSG estate. Shut the sunroof because it's a bit of wind noise. We've got a mere 144,900 miles on the clock. We're just going to get a little run at the road just to make sure that it all drives okay. And we have driven it. It drives very nicely, lovely and smooth. Gear changes are nice and slick, lovely auto box, brakes are good, steering's nice and true, no warning lights up on the dash. It belies its mileage, this car. It's a really nice car, looks very nice, very, very tidy really, been very well looked after, and it does drive very, very nicely indeed. Lovely spec on it as well. It's pretty much loaded with everything you could want. As you know, it's got the big glass panoramic sliding roof, you've got all your touchscreen with DAB, CarPlay, you've got heated seats, parking sensors front and rear, it's got LED lights with the LED headlights and day running lights, you've got your cruise control, your distance cruise control on it as well. Really lovely spec car, great pedigree with it as well, belonged to a local business that we deal with. They've been running it for pretty much 90% of the mileage that it's done. It wasn't very old when they got it. They've maintained it meticulously. We've got a great file of history with it. The most recent service was only done in May, 4,000 miles ago, which was a full service including all the filters, cabin and air filter. So the history file is great. Tyres are good on it, always has good quality tyres, which they are as it on now. Also, it has the detachable tow bar, which you don't even know is on it, or you don't even know is there if you detach it. So useful feature. That sits in the boot, so it can just be slotted in and plugged in and used as needed. Lots of information about the car up on our website, but if there is any additional information that you would like on the car or the delivery service that we offer using our own in-house delivery vehicle, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.